Hi, this is Michael Chadwick with a fabulous apartment in Woodside. We're at 3717 59th Street. This gorgeous, gut renovated 2-bedroom is available in a private house. You have recessed lighting. Look at this massive living/dining area, multiple exposures. We have a dining alcove over here. There's more closets in this apartment than I can count. Absolutely fabulous. We're a quiet tree-lined street in a location that is just incredible, near all the trains. We have a recently updated kitchen with tile backsplash, stainless steel microwave, gas oven. Look at all this counter space, all the storage space. It's amazing to have this in an apartment. And we're only like 30 minutes to Midtown, which is amazing. Beautiful. Marble bathroom, gut renovated. Another closet. There's just so much space. Here's one of the 2 bedrooms. This could easily fit a king. Look at this massive master bedroom with his and her closet. And with an unobstructed view. There's a little garden right there. All this can be yours for just $2,700. To see this apartment, call Michael Chadwick at Citihabitats, 585-415-6170, mchadwick at citihabitats.com.